The only organ that is specialized in activating the muscle is the brain. Brain has the right cables, nerves, with the right connections to the muscles, and it has also the feedback. That means the muscles talk to the brain. If you put an external machine, the external machine is not connected to the muscles in the feedback. So the muscle doesn't talk to the machine. It's only a one-way communication. That's why we need to activate the nerves that connect the brain to the muscle. It's not activating the muscle or working on the muscle that is important. See, we work here, we got a contraction there.